The Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, expected to launch in June 2025, is set to redefine the foldable smartphone experience with its cutting-edge design and powerful specifications. Unfolded, it boasts a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. The external cover screen measures 4.35 inches, also featuring an OLED panel with a 165Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, complemented by up to 18 GB of RAM and up to 2 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, offering exceptional performance and ample space for apps and media. The Razr 60 Ultra is equipped with a dual rear camera setup, each featuring a 50MP sensor with optical image stabilization, capable of 4K video recording. For selfies, it offers a 50MP front camera, also supporting 4K video capture. The device is fueled by a 4600 mAh battery, supporting 45W wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W reverse wireless charging. Running on Android 15, it includes features like AI-powered editing tools and side-mounted fingerprint recognition for enhanced security. The Razr 60 Ultra is expected to be available in colors such as Infinite Black, Glacier Blue, Viva Magenta, and Mocha Mousse, catering to a range of aesthetic preferences.